Chief Executive Member Ronel De Barma, accompanied by MDC Gita De Barma and Reliance Foundation officials, conducted a high-level inspections of Khumlung Stadium to review ongoing sports initiative and infrastructure progress. Under the visionary guidance of Bubagra Pradeep Kishore Manikya De Barma, the TTADC government has launched a comprehensive initiative to reform the education policy, administrative systems, and overall regional development for the welfare of the people. To spearhead this transformation, the Maharaja appointed Ronel De Barma as the new chief executive member, who took his official oath of office last Wednesday. Since assuming the post, CEM De Barma has immediately launched a series of high-level inspections and developmental initiatives. On Thursday, the chief executive member visited Kerengbar Hospital to assess healthcare standards. This was followed on Friday by an inspection of Khumlung Stadium, where he was accompanied by MDC Gita De Barma and officials from the Reliance Foundation. The primary focus of the stadium visit was to evaluate preparations for upcoming football tournaments organized by the Reliance Foundation.
Reliance Foundation rok senior Khumlung tai jompujalo borok puila pilot project hisabe under 7, under 9, under 11, under 13, under 14 ni kaisa borok tournament khaina thang dong Reliance Foundation inke omoni bisingti cholatai buri je sirai rok onek sujog subida manai ebong borokno tournament ni bisingti borokni talent no naijaknai ebong oro kubui khai mane merit basis no bongni talent no porikha khaijangnai ebong bongno thungrejangnai team versus team 8ta team kai tongnai protida age group ni no under 7 hindi under 9 hindi gamon bisingti bongno saka ti sanani implement khaini ni sini players songno serai ni simno tuiduli training rui saka ti sanomno process tamon borok tinoro visit khaina ni phayo bubagra by kok salai ngai tai tabu Khumlung Stadium borok nailike anke tini to borok ground visit simi khaina hayo omo kompore tabuk je tamon borok procedures complete khai khub tatri no ADC be baksa khai mililai Reliance Foundation samung khaina thang tomo ebong je coaching academy khaina ni thang tomani omo first step puila borok tournament khaine player basai khaine player naine omon bore no chengiri jana ngamono bongno onek pipeline hambai eforo Reliance Foundation ni joto adong jara tini phaini rangno omono sing tegese ko busano sung football simi naiglak sing joto khela football cricket ndi je kun tegese sing medium bising di sanam tegese sing shooting club eba shooting academy bukung thang tong sin Khumlung gombo khub tatri nung naina rok ombo step na hajagi tong ebong joto khela dulano sports sing tebo sin sirai rokno busy khai tonani bagi sirai rokno kaham training rona bagi sing nainei o taklani procession gamono median bising temo sanam sungo aste aste norok nukbainai.
During the tour, Chief Executive Member Ronel De Barma reaffirmed the government's commitment to modernizing infrastructure and transforming Khumlung into a premier sports hub for the region. Reported by Boyar from Khumlung, Chinikhorang.